Welcome to Easyas, the smarter way to run your business. Today, we're diving into how to create manufactured items in the system. In this example, we'll be building a product step by step. 500 milliliter bottled water. Step 1. Ingredients. Start by going to Stockmaster. Create each ingredient needed for the product. For bottled water, that means 500 milliliter plastic bottles, caps for the bottles, and the water itself. Make sure each item is set to bulk. Important note: for liquids, use per litre at the end of the item name. For solids like cheese or ham, use per kilogram. Step 2. Manufactured item. Now, create a new item called 500 milliliter bottles manufactured. Also mark this as a bulk item and assign it to the manufacture category. In the Information tab, enter the yield amount. This is the number of final products you expect from the process. Then, under the Recipe section, add the ingredients: 1 bottle, 1 cap, 0.5 litres of water. Copy the PLU link from this item. Step 3. Final sales product. Create the item you'll actually sell in store. Name it something like 500 milliliter bottled water. In the Information tab, link this item to the PLU you copied from the manufactured item. Step 4. Manufacturing the product. Go to the Processing tab on the main screen. Click Manufacture. Select the process you want to complete and confirm. The system will ask you to verify how many final products you actually produced. This matters. Sometimes the yield is 5, but due to spillage or defects, you might end up with only 4. Step 5. Stock impact. Go back to Stockmaster. You'll see the ingredients have decreased and the manufactured stock has increased. Now, if you sell the bottled water from point of sale and check Stockmaster again, you'll see the manufactured item has decreased, not the ingredients, preventing negative stock like -1 bottles. And that's it. You've just completed a full manufacturing cycle in Easyas. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.